Introduction: the pull-up challenge.
Pull-ups are a true test of upper body strength, engaging your back, arms, and core. Many people struggle to do even one, but with the right progression, anyone can build up to a full pull-up and even advance beyond it. This guide breaks down the process into 5 clear stages so you can achieve your goals safely and effectively.
Stage 1. Building a base with hanging and scapular pulls.
Start by building grip strength and activating the right muscles. Practice dead hangs by simply hanging from the bar for time. Add scapular pull-ups, shrug your shoulders down and back without bending your arms. These foundational moves strengthen your grip, shoulders, and lats, preparing you for the next stage.
Stage 2. Assisted pull-ups and negative repetitions.
Progress with assisted pull-ups by using resistance bands or a sturdy chair to reduce your body weight. Focus on controlled movement. Introduce negative pull-ups by jumping or stepping up to the top position, then slowly lowering yourself down. Negatives build pulling strength and help your muscles adapt to the full range of motion.
Stage 3. Eccentric and partial pull-ups.
Take it up a notch by performing eccentric pull-ups, emphasizing a slow descent. Practice partial pull-ups within your strongest range of motion, such as starting halfway up. These methods focus on overcoming weak points and gradually developing the strength to complete the entire movement.
Stage 4. Achieving your first full pull-up.
With growing strength and confidence, attempt a full unassisted pull-up. Begin with a dead hang, engage your shoulders, and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself in a controlled way. Celebrate your milestone and practice consistently to make full pull-ups a solid part of your routine.
Stage 5. Advancing to challenging variations.
After mastering pull-ups, explore advanced variations to further challenge your muscles. Try wide grip, close grip, or commando pull-ups. Add weight with a belt or vest, or work toward explosive pull-ups and muscle-ups. Progress safely and keep improving your form, strength, and endurance for long-term success.
Conclusion: consistency is key.
Progressing through the 5 stages requires patience, regular practice, and attentive recovery. Celebrate small wins and track your progress. Whether your goal is a single pull-up or mastering advanced techniques, this step-by-step approach ensures lasting improvement and a stronger, healthier you.